Myself Miss Tejasri Kosbe, lecturer from Pravin Patil Polytechnic Bhayandar. My subject is Utilization of Electrical Energy, which is UEE. Practical number 3, Learning Outcomes. At the end of this video, you will learn about practical number 3, which is major illumination at different places in college using lux meter. So first is practical significance. The illumination level for each location is recommended by IS 3646. The values are related to the visual requirements of the task, to user satisfaction, to practical experience, and to the need for cost-effective use of energy. In order to design a good illumination scheme, diploma electrical engineer should be able to measure the illumination at different locations. Second is relevant program outcomes, that is POs. So for this practical, POs are PO3, experiments and practice. Plan to perform experiments and practices to use the results to solve broad-based medical electronics engineering problems. PO4 is engineering tools. Apply relevant electrical technologies and tools with the understanding of the limitations. PO5 is the engineer and society. Assess societal health, safety, legal and cultural issues and the consequent responsibilities relevant to practice in the field of electrical engineering. PO6 is environment and sustainability. Apply electrical engineering solutions also for sustainable development practices in societal and environmental context. PO7 is ethics. Apply ethical principles for commitment to professional ethics, responsibilities and norms of the practice also in the field of electrical engineering. PO8 is individual and teamwork. Function effectively as a leader and team member in diverse or multidisciplinary teams. Third is competency and skills. This practical is expected to develop the following skills for the industry identified competency: maintain different types of electrical utilities and systems, use lux meter, measure illuminance or illumination at different locations in the college, follow safe practices. Fourth is relevant course outcomes. So maintain the functioning of different types of lamps and fittings. Fifth is practical learning outcome, which is measure illumination at different places in college using lux meter. Next is minimum theoretical background. In this illumination, it is the luminous flux falling on surface per unit area. It is expressed in lux. Illumination of 1 lumen per square meter is called lux. Good light quality and appropriate illuminance are a necessary requirement for safe work and leisure time. Lux meter measures illumination in terms of lux. Sum of recommended illumination level at different locations is given in the table. So table is first is location and recommended illumination level. First in this location is corridor and recommended illumination level for corridor is 100. Second is library and reading hall and recommended illumination level for library and reading hall is 500 lux. Third is cafeteria. For cafeteria 200 lux, restroom 200 lux, staff room 300 lux, standard classroom 500 lux, laboratory 500 lux, conference hall 500 lux, drawing hall 750 lux. Next is practical setup. So in this image you can see the image of lux meter. Next is resources required. So for this practical, resources are digital lux meter. Suggested broad specification for lux meter is 0 to 50,000 lux and quantity is 1. Next is precautions to be followed for these practicals are: first is never operate the lux meter in an environment filled with explosive gas or dust. Second, check the functioning of lux meter before taking actual measurement. And third is replace the battery periodically. Next is the procedure. So first is identify various locations in the institute where illumination level is to be measured. Second, place the lux meter on the working surface. Third is switch on the display of lux meter. Fourth is note down the reading. And fifth is repeat the above steps for the other locations of your institute. So in this practical, you have to write down the readings, which is for corridor major lux level is 104.3 and recommended lux level is 100. For library 493.2 and recommended lux level is 500. For staff room 309.04 and recommended lux level is 300. For laboratory major lux level is 510 and recommended lux level is 500. For classroom major lux level is 502.09 and recommended lux level is 750. So in this practical, you have to measure lux level in your college. Thank you.